गुड मॉर्निंग वेस्टिजियंस। मेरा नाम सुविधि पांडे है। मैं आपकी हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन एक्सपर्ट हूँ। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट सी बकथॉर्न एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर आप लोग सी बकथॉर्न यूज़ भी कर रहे होंगे। तो सी बकथॉर्न से रिलेटेड हम कई सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन को डिस्कस करेंगे, बहुत सारी नॉलेज को गेन करेंगे। इस इंफॉर्मेशन को देने के लिए आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं। सो लेट्स वेलकम डाइटिशियन शिल्पा जोशी। Let me introduce her to all of you. Dietitian Shilpa Joshi is a registered dietitian in Mumbai Diet and Health Center. She is a National Vice President of Indian Dietetic Association and Honorable Secretary of All India Association for Advancing Research in Obesity. She is Director in Mumbai Diet and Health Center, and she is also a practicing dietitian and a diabetes educator. She is master trainer of diabetes conservation maps, and she has published more than 15 papers in peer-reviewed medical journals. She is course director of National Diabetes Educators Program and has trained more than 3,000 diabetes educators. She has also presented at various national and international meetings, including American. So, let's now hear it from Dietitian Shilpa Joshi. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for kind words of introduction. And what we'll be talking about is living active life the nature's way. So we all know that a proper nutrition and a nutrition rich diet, that is a diet which is rich in various nutrients, is very vital. Vital means important. It is very, very important for a healthy and an active life. And active and healthy life is what we all desire. And we know that our Indian diet is very varied. So there is a sabzi, there is a dal, there is carbohydrate, there are mithai, there is salad, there is different thing. Your meal is fulfilling daily requirements, but is it fulfilling despite of having so many things? Because we find that most of our food in our diet is overcooked, overprocessed. In lot of dishes, lot of fat is added. In lot of dishes, sugar or jaggery is added. Thereby, the nutritional value of the food goes down. We may miss essential nutrients due to lack of essential nutrients in our meal, poor diet, and sometimes also poor absorption. So many people have issues with absorption, and then there are many other reasons. One of the reasons may be stress, and lot of stress may lead to sedentary lifestyle. And all sedentary lifestyle means a lifestyle where you're not getting up from the chair. It is called as a couch potato lifestyle, which is happening nowadays. All of us are working from home. We are sitting on our tables and we are doing webinars, or we are doing Zoom calls, or we are doing whatever. We are working online. So we are sitting in one place. And addition to that, when you're sitting at one place, you really don't need much energy to be consumed. But then you're stressed because your boss is screaming from other side, or you're stressed because there is too much work pressure. So what do? You start eating to relieve this stress. Tension निकालने के लिए खाना खाते. जब कुछ मीठी चीज खाते तो you feel less stressed. So you start having sweet, और या नमकीन कुछ खाते हैं, जैसे सेव हो गया, चिवड़ा हो गया, नमकीन हो गया, ये कुछ खाया तो you automatically feel good. So you start skipping meals and instead you start eating nonsense food, both of which, stress, sedentary life, and skipping meal, all three together lead to a very bad combination of overweight. Now, most of the people, when they eat, they also tend to eat junk food. So what happens is you're sitting whole day, you're sitting in front of screen. Lot of times you don't feel like eating roti, sabzi, dal, chawal. You want to eat a pizza, you want to eat chaat, okay, you want to eat a donut. So all these things happen. Plus the food that is available in Indian market, lot of time is very adulterated. That is, there is a lot of pesticides, there are a lot of insecticides which are sprayed on this food to change the quality and quantity. All these are the reasons why there is a lot of nutritional deficiency. And ultimately what happens because of nutritional deficiency, एक बार nutrition deficiency set in हो गई, the main thing that it impacts is activity of life. Your life becomes less and less active. जैसे ना सुस्ती आ जाती है. People will tell you, okay, it's just 9 o'clock in the morning. Chalo, let's, nowadays because of partial lockdown, we don't go out. But people will tell you, okay, let's go out for a stroll. And you will say, no, I'm very tired. I've had a very stressful day yesterday. But you did sleep all night. Yes, but मैं सो के उठा पर मुझे ऐसे लगा ही नहीं कि मेरा आराम हो गया है पूरी तरह से. So remember, this all nutritional deficiencies lead to a very inactive and unhealthy lifestyle. And this inactive and unhealthy lifestyle leads to what? It leads to weakness. 24 घंटे थकावट महसूस होती है. It leads to obesity, that is high body weight. And of course, when there is, when you are exhausted and tired, your concentration is also very poor. You are not able to do things efficiently. So it leads to poor concentration. Lot of people, it leads to weight gain. A lot of people, it leads to weight loss. It leads to muscle weakness. So a lot of times you will hear lot of people complaining of unknown aches and pains. पीठ दर्द दे रही है, कमर दर्द दे रहा है, गला दर्द दे रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों दे रहा है. So all these things. And daytime sleepiness, because people are unable to sleep at night. Why? Because there is a lot of noise of Netflix, of Amazon Prime, so on and so forth. So first your calls are going on, your work is going on. After that you want to de-stress with your laptop, and then what happens? It leads to daytime sleepiness also. So, but we don't have to forget that nature has given us solution to live a very, very active life. And among them, sea buckthorn is one of the wonder berries which is available in higher altitudes. In India, it is available in the Himalayan regions. Sea buckthorn is a wonder berry. Sea buckthorn, that is Hippophae raminodis, is a berry which is filled bush that has long been used as a traditional medicine for restoring health. Now the name Hippophae means, it stands for horses. Hippophae means horses. Horses which have beautiful lustrous mane. जो घोड़े का कोट होता है वो बड़ा lustrous होता है जो ये berries खाते हैं. इसीलिए these are very, very good for your skin. They are very good for your skin health. Sea buckthorn, though its name is sea buckthorn, it has nothing to do with sea. In fact, it has to do everything to do with the mountain. So it grows in the mountain, but its name is sea buckthorn. It is not a sea fruit or sea food. It is very much a land or a mountain fruit or food. Sea buckthorn has been used approximately for 1400 years for medicinal purpose. Sea buckthorn is also called as a wonder berry, or it is also called as Leh berry. Leh is in higher altitudes of Himalaya. During military expedition of Alexander the Great, that is Sikandar, the warriors ate these berries and gained strength. So you remember, in wars, not all the time is the soldier able to get very nutritious food because it's difficult, no? Remember, Alexander the Great came from Greece. From there, by the time he reached India, they could not carry that much of food with them. So they had to depend on local food, and this one local food gave them a lot of strength. Sea buckthorn is widespreadly available in Asia, in Europe, and in Russia. DRDO, that is Defense Research and Developmental Organization, uses this in Indian Army personnel to help them survive in active mode in very, very high altitudes. So remember, all our soldiers are there at very high altitudes, even at Siachen Glacier and places like that, where conditions are very, very difficult. It is very, very cold there, and they are always have to be active because they are soldiers. So remember, they are also given these sea buckthorn berries to eat. Even there is research to show that astronauts also consume these fruits in the space shuttles to maintain high energy level. Sea buckthorn has been used since time immemorial for numerous health benefits. Now, what are the health benefits? It has a lot of vitamins K, C, A, E, B complex, vitamin P, which is flavonoids. It has omega 3, 6, 7, 9 fatty acids. It has very important minerals like zinc, iron, and magnesium. It has a lot of amino acids. What are amino acids? Precursors for protein. Which are they? Methionine, glucine, lysine, and glycine. All these are present in the sea buckthorn berry. Now, sea buckthorn also has 190 bioactive compounds in one that small berry. This berry looks like a bear, that is boar. Okay, but in that there are 190 bioactive compounds like carotenoids, tocopherols, flavonoids, lipids, and ascorbic acid. Which are what are the effects of each of these nutrients? So tocopherols are important in antioxidant activity. Tocopherols, that is vitamin E, also minimizes lipid peroxidation, pain alleviation. Carotenoids are antioxidants in nature, contribute to collagen synthesis and contribute towards growth of epithelium, and therefore those horses who ate these berries had beautiful shiny coat. Vitamin K prevents hemorrhage, it supports wound healing, and it has a positive effect against ulceration. Vitamin C, today's day and age, vitamin C is very important in prevention of COVID. Okay, so we find that people are taking higher doses of vitamin C to prevent or to treat COVID, and therefore vitamin C is antioxidant and it retains the membrane cellular integrity. Vitamin B, cellular renewal stimulation and nerve tissue generation, and phytosterol, that is improvement of microcirculation in the skin, anti-carcinogenic effect, that is against cancer, and prevention of ulceration. All these are therapeutic effects of various compounds which are present in that berry C. buckthorn. There are other compounds like polyphenolic compounds which are antioxidant in nature, and they also protect heart. So polyphenols are very, very important in cardio protection. Then there are polyunsaturated fats which are immunomodulators by themselves. So even in ICU patients, polyunsaturated fats are given, especially omega-3 fat, as an immunomodulator, and it also protects nerves. So it has a neuroprotective effect. Then there are coumarins and triterpenes which support for appetite, sleep, memory, and learning. And then there is zinc. Again, in COVID infections also, zinc is a very important nutrient. In fact, zinc is given as an add-on therapy other than other therapies which are used in treatment of COVID. So they are good for blood circulation and they are cofactors for many enzymes. Now, C. buckthorn is the plant source is a source of omega-3 fatty acids among plants. So omega-3 fatty acids are only found in two plants. One is macadamia nut, that is that white color round nut, or in C. buckthorn. One of the newest known good fats is being studied for its metabolic benefit, that is benefit to diabetes, heart disease, so on and so forth, and skin care benefits, nourishment and anti-wrinkle effect. Who does not want to look young? Everybody wants to look young, everybody wants to have beautiful skin, and C. buckthorn is the source of omega-7 fatty acids which are very, very important for skin health. C. buckthorn benefits are: one has very high energy levels after consuming C. buckthorn. Why? Because it has a rich source of vitamin C and other nutrients that help to reduce headaches, dizziness, and gives mental alertness or attention. Vitamin E and minerals like zinc, selenium have high antioxidant property, and it has a stamina building property because vitamins help to reduce common symptoms like fatigue, such as slow energy, muscle tension, and help in getting sound sleep. Once you get sound sleep, you are fresh the next day. What are the other benefits? Cardiac benefit, like I said, it helps you to protect heart because of the flavonoids present in them, because it reduces the stress on your heart muscle. Benefits diabetes patients because it helps improve insulin secretion and insulin sensitivity, both which can protect against diabetes. The immense benefit of C. buckthorn are skin benefits. So C. buckthorn has essential nutrients for skin and collagen regeneration. What is collagen? Collagen is the protein of the skin. Therefore, to regenerate, every time your skin sheds off, to regenerate skin, there you need C. buckthorn elements, especially vitamin C and zinc. Reduces skin wrinkles and reduces premature skin aging. There are also gastric benefits of C. buckthorn. C. buckthorn is believed to normalize gastric acid production. It protects the mucous membrane from the irritation of gastric juice, and therefore you have people who consume C. buckthorn having less acidity. Okay, C. buckthorn is also good for liver and prevents its damage from toxic chemicals. Now, which are the toxic chemicals which can go into the liver? All the pesticides, insecticides, etc., so on and so forth. So this is the best of the nature. So start taking sea buckthorn capsules, 500 milligrams, 2 times a day, which is a daily dose for your active lifestyle. Thank you so much for a patient hearing, and I hope you take these every now and then. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a wonderful explanation. आई होप हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को सी बकथॉर्न के बारे में बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला होगा. टू समराइज, अब हम सभी समझ चुके हैं कि सी बकथॉर्न हमारे बॉडी में एक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल को मेंटेन करने में मदद करता है. इसके अलावा आप डायबिटीज़ की प्रॉब्लम में दे सकते हैं सी बकथॉर्न को. इम्यूनिटी अच्छी करनी हो, एक्टिव रहना हो, बॉडी में एनर्जेटिक फील करना हो, साथ में आपको अगर कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि बॉडी में बहुत थकान हो रही है तो आपका गो टू सप्लीमेंट जो आप ले सकते हो वो है सी बकथॉर्न. सी बकथॉर्न के तमाम फायदे हमने आज डिस्कस किए हैं. इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाएं एंड याद रखें सी बकथॉर्न हमें एक कैप्सूल दिन में 2 बार लेना है. सो आप सी बकथॉर्न लेते रहें, लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समझाएं इसके बेनिफिट्स को. थैंक यू एवरीवन. विश यू वेल.